Hello everyone, I Sulakshana. Welcome you all to today's session. Joining us today is a very special guest who has been passionately working to promote and globalize herbal products crafted by the tribal community of Bastar, Chhattisgarh. Following in the footsteps of her father, Dr. Rajaram Tripathi, National President of the All India Farmers Alliance, she has been deeply inspired by his 2 decades of work in agriculture and community development. With a postgraduate degree in intellectual property rights and currently pursuing a PhD focusing on the traditional healing practices of people of Bastar, her mission is to create a strong platform for tribal herbal products, ensuring they receive the packaging, distribution, and market access they truly deserve. She is Apurva Tripathi, founder of Ma Danteshwari MD Botanicals. Welcome to Krishi Jagran, Apurva.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for such a nicely crafted introduction. Means a lot. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Yes.
So, Apurva, to begin with, I want to ask you what inspired you to establish MD Botanicals and how has your father's work influenced your entrepreneurial journey?
Hanji. So, I have been associated with Madanteshwari Herbal Farms and Research Center, and this has been almost 10 years that I'm associated with Madanteshwari Herbal Farms and Research Center, and it was established by Dr. Rajaram Tripathi in the year 1996. So, to be very frank, see, we have grown in and around farms. So, our childhood has been in Kondagaon, Bastar. I have lived in Kondagaon and I have shared my moments with the tribes of Bastar. I have lived along with them, around them for years, and we have lived, you can say, in the farms only. तो मैंने बहुत कुछ वहाँ से देखा सीखा and gradually when I did my education, I did law. I did my graduation in intellectual property rights, and then I did my masters in intellectual property rights and trade law and international law. And I saw that my interest and my belonging is from the farms of Bastar, and that's when I started all the learnings from Dr. Rajaram Tripathi, and I became a part of Madanteshwari Herbal Farms and Research Center in the year say 2016. सो माँ दंतेश्वरी हर्बल फार्म्स एंड रिसर्च सेंटर जो है 300 से अधिक जो हर्ब्स है उसकी खेती करती है एंड दीज हर्ब्स इंक्लूड अश्वगंधा सफेद मूसली एंड stevia, and then we have spices, black pepper, and high value herbs. And we have successful models, farming models, जिसपे डॉक्टर राजा राम त्रिपाठी एंड द एंटायर टीम साइंटिस्ट की जो टीम है वहाँ पर फार्म एक्सपर्ट्स हैं पिछले you can say from 3 decades they have been working rigorously on these models in a way to actually formulate models for the farmers at large which can benefit the farmers at large. One of such models is natural green house model, which is a sustainable substitute for polyhouse. So lot of other models are also there, and I take care of the compliance part. I take care of the quality control of Madanteshwari Herbal Farms and Research Center, and we work on models which we can get patented and that can be a beneficial model for the farmers, like natural greenhouse. We mentioned, and then we have varieties, beneficial varieties. Like for example, we have black pepper, and it is a matter of pride for our state, entire Chhattisgarh, कि छत्तीसगढ़ से एक ब्लैक पेपर का वैरायटी which is MDBP 16 is registered, and it is approved by Indian Institute of Spices Research and Spice Board of India. And the इसमें for us to actually feel proud of our variety, इसमें matter of fact ये है कि it is mentioned by IISR and Spice Board of India कि at an average जहाँ लोग black pepper का production से 1.5 से 2 किलो ले पा रहे हैं at our farms and our farmers at बस्तर छत्तीसगढ़, we are बहुत easily हम 8 से 10 किलो at an average and उससे ज़्यादा भी black pepper का production यहाँ से निकाल रहे हैं, and even the pepperin content in this is lot higher. So these are the things that we are working on as माँ दंतेश्वरी हर्बल फार्म्स एंड रिसर्च सेंटर. यहाँ से मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी. मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ. I believe this field is so vast and there's a huge learning that's still left. The process is ongoing. And then I came up with MD Botanicals with 3 years of research, and we developed 60 products. 60 products, जिसमें we have three ranges. We have herbal teas, we have 11 herbal teas. These are herbal healing teas. Like we have moringa tulsi, we have ashwagandha, then we have teas that focuses on female health. We have a tea for for females, which is she health tea, that focuses on PCOS, PCOD, and hormonal imbalance. And then we have problem centric, teas, and then we have capsules for safed musli, and then we have capsules for liver detox, lungs detox, and we have powders, the wonder herbs in powder form, like for example moringa powder, and these kind of products and spices. And we did research, we did mass trial, and we are now in a very happy state because हमारे mass trial के बाद the reviews that we've got from people, that these products are working very, fast also, and it is giving them a number of positive results. So this is something that is motivating for us and our people at MD Botanicals here.
Thank you so much for sharing your ventures journey with us, and you have quite innovative products. And also, congratulations on the new variety of black pepper as well. So,
Thank you so
can you
much.
elaborate on the traditional healing practices of Buster's tribal communities and how MT Botanicals incorporate them into its products?
Yes. So MD Botanicals, when we talk of, see, we also understand there are a lot of other organic products ka brand in the market. So we are not in competition, indirect when we say ki we have these products XYZ. So we have a separate set of USPs that we want to focus on before we actually, market our products at large. So when we talk of our USP, we stand different in this one point where we mention that our source of origin is verified. Like, for example, every herb that is used in our product, every single herb, every single content that is there on the packaging, that is inside the product, may it be capsule, tea, or anything, that is from our farms. We are not sourcing it from outside, that the quality can be a problem or can be a question. So what is here, which is different in many ways, is this: keep all of the content, all of the herbs that's used in these products are pure. We can be sure of it because these are directly from our farms. We're not sourcing it from anywhere outside. So the source of origin here is verified. And here the products are an amalgamation. It is a combination of say 3 decades of research of Dr. Rajaram Tripathi and a group of scientists and doctors, which includes the dean of BHU and many more, you say, eminent doctors and scientists, along with the traditional healing practices of people of Bastar here. So Bastar has been known for its Ayurvedic knowledge, the ancient knowledge of Ayurvedic herbs. So I am associated with these experts, the THP experts. We call them Bega, Gunya. These are the communities here, and they have immense knowledge of the healing properties of these herbs, and that has helped us actually formulate these products.
Right. So, of course, if all the products, like all the raw materials are from your own farm, then obviously that helps the farmers as well in the same way.
Ji, ji.
So now I would like to know that every venture has their own set of challenges. So what kind of challenges that you faced in bringing tribal herbal products to a global market, and how have you addressed them?
See, we have just started, I can say. Even though the results and the reviews and the response is very heartwarming, we've got great response. We've just listed our products in some of the leading commerce sites, and the response is amazing. And the mass trial that we did, we've done 100 2,000 mass trials of different products with different section of society. You say the age group, people who've actually been suffering from diseases, people who've been healthy, people who want to take it as health supplements, people who want to take it as medicines, and the results are great. But what we saw as a problem, say, or something which was difficult for us was how to bring this onto the market, because we are very sure of the quality. We are very sure of this one fact that what we say, no, it has been our tagline that ये
Mhm.
products सच में काम करते हैं. And मतलब we are from the roots and we totally understand how products are made, and we are very sure कि these products will bring good results when
Right.
people consume it. But how to actually bring this to the market, because we understood that once people get to know ki uh, you say group which is Madanteshwari Herbal Farms, which is into farming for last 3 decades, and organic farming. So when such people matlab group which is indulged in farming religiously, in the organic farming sector, has come up with these products, people will believe and people would want, and this is something that people have wanted, such products. But how to actually bring this to the market and make this make them aware that these products are already in the market? So this was our hurdle. The marketing expertise was the hurdle. But with time and with the help of people who are actually interested in organic products and all of that, now we are actually very positive towards this
That
marketing.
is very amazing then. So, how do you ensure that the tribal communities benefit economically and socially from their collaboration with MD Botanicals?
So it is very direct and transparent, I'll tell you. So here, सबसे पहले तो I will tell you. So when we talk of empowerment and specifically women, in Bastar हमको ये करना नहीं पड़ता. So it is a very different, environment here. Here the women, what we have felt, and this is the study also, they are already empowered. When you see बस्तर के लोगों में हम बहुत बात करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें बस बुक्स में है, लिखने में है. But here, what we see, the women are actually already empowered. यहाँ की जो औरतें हैं वो एकदम कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर काम करती हैं, अपना घर चलाती हैं. They have all the choices when it comes to personal choice, when it comes to their economic freedom. All of this is there. And हम अभी हमेशा बोलते हैं कि लोगों को इनसे सीखना चाहिए, to come back to their roots and then actually see what they have actually inculcated and what they actually follow. सो यहाँ पे जो एमडी बोटानिकल्स की टीम है, आप समझेंगे, जो हमारी यूनिट है, यूनिट इज 90% यू से विमेन लेड. और इसमें सारी ट्राइबल महिलाएं हैं. दीज आर women फ्रॉम द ट्राइबल एरियाज ऑफ बस्तर. And at present we have around 110 women in the unit. And when we talk of farms, and farms में भी हमारे पास अभी मतलब हमारे साथ जो लोग associated हैं पिछले 3 decades से, it's around 1500 tribal families जो associated हैं, जो लगातार खेती से लेके processing, cleaning, semi processing, and the unit, and then हर चीजों में these women are there. And ट्राइबल्स के कम्युनिटी में हमने एक चीज देखा है, एज कम्पेयर टू मेन, हमारे पास विमेन इन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर स्पेसिफिकली, दे आर मोर मतलब यू से मोर इन्वॉल्व. तो ये है. और एमडी बोटानिकल्स में हम जो भी यहाँ पे सीख रहे हैं, सिखा रहे हैं, हम एक रेगुलर स्किल डेवलपमेंट के क्लासेस समझिए या सेमिनार, कुछ ऑन फार्म होती हैं, कुछ वेबिनार्स के थ्रू करा रहे हैं, और कुछ यूनिट्स में हमारे जो प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है, एक्सट्रैक्शन यूनिट है, वहाँ पे करा रहे हैं. एंड रेगुलर क्लासेस चलती हैं, सेमिनार्स चलते हैं. एंड वी आर ट्राइंग कि हम जो इसकी सेमी प्रोसेसिंग, प्रोसेसिंग, पैकेजिंग की जो पूरी यूनिट है, वी मेक श्योर इट्स women led.
That is amazing. That is like,
Thank you.
every corner of India should be like this. Should be like Buster. I feel.
और आप लोग तो कुछ आपके टीम मेंबर्स आए भी हुए हैं. आई विल इनवाइट यू आल्सो, बिकॉज this is a site that gives
Right.
you'll feel happy to see how
Right.
empowered
Perfect.
these women are. And the world is now actually moving towards everything that is scientific, sorry,
Right.
synthetic free
Right.
and organic. So it's a site. When you first questioned me, the very first thing also, the
Mhm.
teachings from my father. So I've been very fortunate uh, to be around these farms, the Ayurvedic medicines and the spices farms. So it's a very fortunate site, and it's a very fortunate experience, a very happy and healthy experience. When you walk through the farms, you see
Mhm.
70 feet पे there are trees, and उसपे black pepper के vines हैं, and there's so much of oxygen. Then you get that very satisfaction कि you are giving back to
Exactly.
the environment, you're giving back to the nature, you are working on something that is sustainable, that is helping with the big problem which is carbon footprints also. सो मतलब एक बहुत अलग अलग एंगल है ऑन विच मादंतेश्वरी हर्बल फार्म्स काम कर रही है सब। ये बहुत बड़ा एक पूरा टीम है जिसमें
Mhm.
एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, गांव के लोग हैं जो फार्म्स पे काम कर रहे हैं, बाहर के लोग हैं जो अपने एक्सपर्टीज दे रहे हैं अलग अलग सेक्टर में। कुछ चीजें तो ऐसी हैं, बस एक चीज आप अगर बता दें कि हम साल भर में हमने एक साल में ऑन रिकॉर्ड 14 लाख के आसपास प्लांट्स प्लांट किए। तो बहुत सारी चीजें जिस पे रिगरसली लोग काम कर रहे हैं, एंड द appreciation is there,
Mhm.
the acknowledgement is there, so that makes us very
And I think
grateful.
being with the nature also gives you a kind of satisfaction that I think no other buildings or streets can give you in any way. Right.
True, true, true.
So this is my last question to you. So what are the future plans of MD Botanicals and how do you envision its role in promoting indigenous knowledge and sustainable development? And also I want to know like what advice would you give to the aspiring agripreneurs, women agripreneurs especially, for their future?
ओके, सो हमने तो ये बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे सीखा। इट ऑल स्टार्टेड विथ हम फार्मिंग करते थे। मतलब आई यूज टू बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ MDHP, and then I saw a gap also. I will be very true. I saw a gap also wherein people, they were very keen on using and actually getting through and getting all the knowledge about these organic herbs and the Ayurvedic medicines and everything. And people were very much focused on this one fact कि ये दवाइयाँ तो है, ये है इस ब्रांड की दवाई है, बट इसमें जो चीजें डली है, कैन वी बी श्योर ऑफ वेयर आर दीज contents, or where are these herbs sourced from? And then we used to get regular calls. हमारे यहाँ जो ऑफिस का हेल्पलाइन है वहाँ हम देखते थे, पीपल यूज टू आस्क कि ये हर्ब आपके पास है क्या, हमको डेली कंजम्पशन के लिए चाहिए। बट हम डेली कंजम्पशन के हिसाब से हमारे पास चीजें तब नहीं रहती थी। दैट इज व्हेन आई सॉ कि इफ वी आर ग्रोअर्स, if we can assure the quality, so why not make this available to the consumers? We are doing good to the consumers at large by ensuring कि the products that we will be giving वो क्वालिटी अश्योर्ड होगा। क्या है, व्हाट वी अंडरस्टूड कि ये हर्ब्स लेते कौन है, ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आप समझिए हेल्थ सप्लीमेंट का जो रेंज है, न्यूट्रासिटिकल का जो रेंज है, फूड सप्लीमेंट्स व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ, ये वो लोग लेते हैं जो अपने हेल्थ को बेटर करना चाहते हैं या ऑलरेडी बीमार हैं। तो इन लोगों के पास, इन सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी, मतलब इन एज ग्रुप या इन लोग जिनको तबीयत अपनी ठीक करने के लिए चीजें चाहिए, तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि इन लोगों के पास जब कुछ जा रहा है तो वो एक प्योर सब्सटेंस जाए, वो ऐसी चीजें जाए जो सही में काम करे। सो हम एथिकली भी चाहते थे कि हम मार्केट को एक ऐसे रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर दें, लाकर दें जो सही में काम करते हैं और बेस्ट क्वालिटी हर्ब्स हो। देर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन द क्वालिटी, ऑर्गेनिक हो। एंड ऑब्वियसली है इसमें हमारा बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है, कंट्रीब्यूशन इस चीज का है कि द herbs that we have used, they are pure. So this is there, and this was my motive when I started MD Botanicals. And then great support from Madanteshwari Herbal Farms and Dr. Raja Ram Tripathi and the entire team, with the formulation, with the R&D, with the production and everything. And that's when we actually came to market. And it was last year, almost, yeah, it's been 1 year that we finally launched these products in the market. We are going very slow, very slow, because as I told you, we were not very through or very sure of how to market it and all that. We are learning, and the process is also fruitful. A lot of people, they actually consider this a very positive move and a very helpful move in the in the sector, and they are also helping. And now हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा motivation ये है that people who are using these products, they are getting benefited, and we get reviews every day in large numbers of from people who are using this. The females who are taking our teas and our formulation formulated capsules for thyroid, for PCOS. So they are seeing the results in 45 days, some after 60 days, and they are feeling good about their health. And this is our motivation. Now we are very, we've been motivated, but this gives us matlab, another level of motivation. Ki now the products are in the market, and we are very sure kids are gonna do good, and it will be for sure doing wonders in the global market also. And one special thing also, this is my tribute to the people of Bastar. So the packaging itself has Bastar art, and that is copyrighted. We've got rights on that, and this is my thought process, or this is how I want these products to look like when they go on a global platform, that people will recognize these products as Bastar ke products, the products of Bastar. So this is
Well,
there.
that was so amazing talking to you. And I just want to say that we all know Dr. Rajaram Tripathi and his work in agriculture and rural community development. And you have inherited all this noble work and also, started this women-led company and the community. It's so amazing to talk to you. I just wanted this conversation to go on and on, but we have time constraints. So it was very nice talking to you, and you have let us know so much about the Buster community and how it is women led and how you are empowering the women. So thank you so much for being with us today. We wish great success with your future.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much to you, and you've been great to talk to you. It's so much, it's not like a formal conversation. It actually feels like I'm sharing something. It's just a coffee table conversation, which is very, very
Even
positive
I
in
think
this
I can
way.
relate to these things. And whenever I get chance to visit, I will definitely come to see your.
For sure. It will be our pleasure. And thank you so much to the entire team of Krishi Jagrin. And I look up to your leaders there, Dominic Sir, Shiny Madam, Mamta Madam. And it has been immense pleasure whenever I visit Delhi and whenever I visit the office. I feel so much. I feel it's a matter of pride every time I enter the office, the vibe and the work that you all are doing for the agriculture sector. And especially when I see campaigns like this, She
Right.
Leads and everything, it's inspiring, it's great, and all my good wishes. And there is so much that I will learn from you and your entire
Thank
team also.
Thanks. It's
Thank you
our
so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you so much for being with us. Have a great. Thank you.
Thank you.